I haven't checked my email in a while. Wonder how many emails I have today. Wow. Wow. Alright. Okay. That's a one for manager. Make a wish. Laugh out loud. Hacks barbecue. Rolling on the floor laughing. Call me. Oh please, I'm lonely. Make a wish. Exclamation point, exclamation point. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Scroll down and make a wish. You has to be wishing while you scrolling. While hacks barbecue. Start scrolling. You know. Come on, come on, come on. Come on! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes. Whoa. Yes, yes. You're almost halfway there. Yes. Okay, I can do it. Okay, okay, alright. Oh, but this is easier. Okay. Well, come on, come on. Hurry up. Any day now. So, you know what? I'm gonna speed it up. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Come on, come on, come on! God! Wait a minute. Wow. Wow. Alrighty. Okay. I'm doing right this time. Whoa. Oh. I think you're wishing out. Okay. I wish this thing would be over. Ah, fine. Alright, did you make your wish? A lot of exclamation points, a lot of question marks. I hope you did, because if you didn't, you'd have to do all that again. Now your wish will come true tomorrow, and you will meet your true love too. And if you send this to 4,500,456.5 people in the next 5 minutes and 36 seconds, a confused tax collector with a wheezing problem will watch you while you bathe and then remove your internal organs with a pair of pliers. Lol suck. Hey. Mm.